Sinulat mo, ipinakita sa buong mundo para sa kalayaan. Ako'y Pilipino, taas noo kahit kanino. Ipaglalaban ko, di mapigilan ng lakas ng loob. Nagtitiwala ang mga kapwa sa iyong kadakilaan. Bayani ka ng lahat, ginawa mo ang lahat para sa kinabukasan at kabutihan ng lahat. Saludo kami sa'yo, isa kang dakilang Pilipino.
Mula sa Bangkulasi Elementary School, happy anniversary Knights of Rizal, United Kingdom. Maraming salamat po.
Happy anniversary Knights of Rizal, United Kingdom! Maraming salamat po!
Isang magandang araw po. Ako po si Teacher Michelle ng Isla Daycare Center, Barangay Isla, Santa Rosa, Nueva Ecija. Lubos po ako nagpapasalamat sa 10 po ng aking mga estudyante sa Knights of Rizal, Burman Chapter, United Kingdom. Happy 5th year anniversary po. God bless. Thank you.
United Kingdom.
Located in one of the Parplang Barangay of Mangatanang, Pangasinan. It is composed of 9 teachers, a job order, and 141 learners headed by George Roy. Mostly, the source of living of the parents here is farming or a tenant of a farm. That's why the source of income is not enough to sustain the daily needs of their families. So we are so blessed that one day when Mr. Berwin Reliera, one of the representatives of Knights of Rizal, came to our humble school and sent a good news that our school was chosen to be one of the beneficiaries. Therefore, we are very thankful to him. Before the opening of the school year 2023-2024, school supplies had arrived and we immediately distributed these supplies to our learners. Everybody was so grateful when learners received the greatest gift from yours. In behalf of Mulang Bunagan Elementary School family, I would like to take this opportunity to extend the greatest gratitude and my warmest greetings on your 5th anniversary Nights of Rizal. Happy anniversary! Happy anniversary! Happy anniversary! God bless us all and more power from Mulang Bunagan Elementary School. Thank you very much. God bless. Mabuhay ang Nights of Rizal. Magandang hapon. Naibang na malong. Good afternoon.
Minsa'y natuwa ang may likha, 7,000 pulo ang ginawa.